Hey y'all, hey Beauty Connoisseurs. If you're interested in this wig that I'm wearing, it is Model Clio KLW060. And the wig I'm showing you today is by Vivica Fox, and her name is Rabia. And she's about 18 inches long. She has a bump at the bottom, and it's a 1B30 color. You can see the streaks of 30 in the wig. And I'm showing you the parting space. It has soft brown Swiss lace. There's the underside of the cap with the 2 combs at the sides. Your 1 comb in the back with the adjustable bands and the breathable cap. Let's switch out these wigs. Parting space looks nice. I'll give it a thumbs up, and it does come ear to ear, so it is average size friendly for the most part. The hairline is sort of thick, but that's okay, we can work with it. Here's a 360 view. I received very little shedding. Did I mention it's Wonderful Wig Wednesday? Well, it's Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! Okay, y'all. We have another winner with Vivica Fox. Yay! And, where's the stock card? Rabia. And I love the layers in Rabia and the soft body wave, and I like the 1B30. A lot of times with these 1B30s you can't even really see the 30, or they'll be really chunky, but this is not chunky, you know, it's just the streaks. And I like the length, it's not too long. The density is very normal. Got a string on my lip. I only got 1 strand of shedding, and so far no tangling. It's a very soft, yucky texture, and I really like it. Vivica did a good job on this. I put a little whiskey hair right here, but it's not necessary if you don't want to do that. So this is very beginner friendly, and I bought this from Ms. Barn. I've been buying a lot from Ms. Barn here lately. And she was $21.53. Shipping is only $3.99, so that is such a good thing. And the luster on this is very nice. It's not shiny, it's not dull. It's very nice. So that's really all I have to say. And you know, kudos to Vivica Fox. And I pretty much thought I was gonna like it by the stock card, because it looks good on the stock card, which is not always the case. So Let's find us some Sunnies. So like always, please like, comment, and share. Give the video a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.